How does the human musculoskeletal system function? This video explores the anatomy and physiology of our bones and muscles. Dive into the structure and function of this complex system. The assignment focuses on the musculoskeletal system's structure and function. It requires up to 2,000 words, with diagrams and scientific explanations. Assessment is aligned with specific learning outcomes. Only one formal submission is allowed, with a possible resubmission for a pass. No draft reviews or pre-marking are permitted. Discuss the human musculoskeletal system structure and function. Use labeled diagrams to support your explanations. Explain how bones, joints, and muscles collaborate. Demonstrate understanding of movement and muscle contraction. Ensure all sources are referenced using the Harvard system. Describe the major bones of the human skeleton. Identify different bone types, like long, short, and flat bones. Explain the skeleton's functions, including support and protection. Discuss its role in movement and mineral storage. Explain the relationship between bone structure and function. Explain the microscopic structure of bone tissue, including compact and spongy bone. Describe osteocytes, osteoblasts, and osteoclasts. Discuss how bone structure supports strength and function. Each component plays a critical role. Understanding these helps explain overall bone health. Explain the classification of joints, including fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial. Focus on freely movable synovial joints. Describe joint components such as cartilage, ligaments, and synovial fluid. Explain how joint structure enables movement. This knowledge is fundamental to understanding mobility. Identify types of movement such as flexion, extension, and rotation. Provide named examples of joints performing these movements. Explain how joint structure determines the range of movement. Each movement type has specific characteristics. Understanding these helps in analyzing joint functions. Describe the structure of skeletal muscle. Identify muscle fibers and connective tissue layers. Explain functions including movement and posture. Discuss the relationship between muscles and bones. This relationship is crucial for coordinated motion. Explain the sliding filament theory of muscle contraction. Describe interaction between actin and myosin. Explain the role of ATP and calcium ions. Relate the contraction process to movement at joints. This understanding is vital for comprehending muscle dynamics. Explain how muscles work in opposing pairs, such as biceps and triceps. Describe how contraction and relaxation produce movement. Explain the importance of coordination for controlled motion. Each muscle pair has a specific function. Understanding these pairs enhances motion analysis. Analyze joint and muscle actions in complex activities like walking, lifting, or throwing. Explain which joints and muscles are involved. Describe movement patterns and coordination. Each activity requires specific muscle and joint engagement. Understanding these actions is crucial for effective analysis. Use reliable academic sources such as textbooks and scientific journals. Apply Harvard referencing throughout the report. Include a full reference list at the end. Support explanations with diagrams and scientific evidence. This ensures academic credibility and thoroughness. Merit requires a very good understanding of musculoskeletal structures. Distinction demands excellent depth of scientific knowledge. Clear explanation of structure-function relationships is crucial. Accurate application of anatomical terminology is essential. These standards ensure a thorough grasp of the subject. Merit requires very good reasoning and interpretation of movement. Distinction demands excellent application of biological theory. Clear explanation of muscle and joint interactions is vital. Use diagrams to support analysis. These skills are essential for a comprehensive understanding. Maintain a clear academic structure with headings and diagrams. Ensure effective scientific communication. Demonstrate independent research and time management. Correct use of academic conventions and referencing is crucial. These skills are valuable beyond this assignment. Ensure all sections of the musculoskeletal system are explained. Include diagrams that are clearly labeled, analyze joint movements and muscle actions, explain the sliding filament theory correctly. Include Harvard referencing throughout. Differentiate between long, short, and flat bones. Each type serves a unique function. Long bones are crucial for movement. Short bones provide stability. Flat bones protect vital organs. Osteocytes are mature bone cells. They maintain bone tissue. These cells are vital for bone health. Osteocytes communicate with other bone cells. Understanding their role is essential for bone physiology. Cartilage, ligaments, and synovial fluid are key components. Cartilage cushions joints, ligaments connect bones, synovial fluid lubricates joints. These components enable smooth joint movement. Muscle fibers are made of actin and myosin. These proteins are essential for contraction. Connective tissue layers support muscle fibers. Each layer has a specific role. Understanding these structures is crucial for comprehending muscle function. Muscle pairs work together for coordinated motion. Biceps and triceps are classic examples. Coordination is vital for smooth movement. Each pair has distinct roles. Understanding this coordination is essential for analyzing muscle function. This video unraveled the complexity of the musculoskeletal system. We've explored structures, functions, and interactions. Understanding these elements is vital for grasping human movement and physiology.